Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. It is time for my next purple post. A little bit of tape's come undone in the travel journey, but no spoilers. No spoilers, unfortunately. But yes, this is a painting releasing on Monday, the 21st of October. It is by my other favourite artist from Diamond Art Studio UK, though I have many. Like, I love most of the paintings, or at least some of the paintings from most of the artists, if not all. But if you look at my stash, I may have a couple of favourites. And this is a cute, it's a smaller painting. It's not small. It's either 40 by 40 if you get it in square, or 45 by 45 if you get it in round. It's the same chart, but it's available in both different diamond types. But it's, as I say, it is my other favourite artist. You can probably tell already by seeing all that white, all that 5200. So this is a Splatterworks painting. Absolutely love the Splatterworks. Can you guess the animal? There's probably a little bit of a giveaway there as well, to be fair. But yes, this is Squiglet the piglet. How adorable is he? So I have it in square, but as I say, it is available in round too. This one is only £35, which is an absolute bargain for a quality painting of this size. It is all normal drills, which I am completely fine with, because he is absolutely blinking adorable. A cute little Squiglet. There is 39 different colours in this one, and as you can see, there are some absolutely gorgeous shades of pink. Is that black? No, I don't think it is. It is 939. There is a little bit of 939. Of course, we do need to give him some eyes. There is also, is that 3371? No, it's not. What's the other dark one? Let me have a look. The letter K. 844. 844, but there is only a tiny amount of each of those. Anybody knows me, I love doing some multi-placing block work when it's in white. We'll take it any day of the week over 939 or 310, because I do love a nice bit of block multi-placing. I just am not keen on it being the darker colours. But yeah, isn't he absolutely adorable? And you do get a breakup of the colours with the little splats from, of course, Splatterworks, which is by Catherine Williams. And yeah, I absolutely love it. So this one is the 40 by 40. Of course, if you get it in round, you will get it bigger. It will be 45 by 45. But yeah, I really hope my decision wheel picks one of my animals soon. I do have a few animals to do. A few different ones. I have done Mr. Quacker's. I'm sure I did another one as well. Okay, my mind can't think, but I know I do have a few. I definitely have quite a few animals left to do. But yeah, some of the pinks in this are just beautiful. And we've got some hints of yellow as well scattered in. Oh, there's also some purple. Let's see if we can see some of these without, of course, white is white. No, okay, let's not try and pick up so many. But look at those shades of pinks, burgundies, peaches, little bit of purple, little bit of yellow. Just, you can see how that will make a little Squiglet. These two are the eyes. So they are the darkest colours and probably some of the emptiest bags in the whole kit and caboodle. And here is some of the more other gorgeous shades of pinks and say yellows, peachy tones. You've got peachy tones, purple tones, burgundy tones, the whole flipping lot. And I can't wait to do him. I just need, like, you know, the hours in the day to work and then the hours in the day to diamond paint, like, all over again. Is there anybody that can make that happen? No? I just want to be able to diamond paint quilts and work, but like have 24 hours of each to do. But yeah, I feel like this is a very quick unboxing, but I feel like he speaks for himself. He is just absolutely beautiful. And if you haven't tried a Diamond Art Studio UK painting, then he is an extremely good start for you to be able to find the quality and give the quality a go and get an absolutely gorgeous image out from it. I do also have a discount code which is detailed in the description below, or it is available on my links and codes page on my website as well. So if you ever need to refer back. But yeah, get your Christmas list sorted. There are many more paintings being launched on Monday by Diamond Art Studio UK Limited. I did an unboxing of another one on Monday. There is also some stock images, sorry, not so much stock images, earlier releases that are they still have in stock on the website. They are in the process of moving, but they do always keep making sure that paintings come back as long as people want them. So they'll be forever restocking. So if you do see any that you like that are out of stock, they will end up restocking. So sign yourself up to the wait list for that one. Which is something that's great because I'm sure there's a couple more on my list that I need to add, and there are a couple more that I have to show you in upcoming unboxings. There's quite a few that I have still to show you that I will be adding to my stash. But yeah, I will pop a link to the artist down below, but don't forget this one won't show up until Monday, but you can see all the other gorgeous animals in between, and get your little Christmas wish list ready so you can hit go at 4 PM on Monday. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.